to delete YouTube TV history. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to delete YouTube history. So for that, just simply go to your preferred browser, and after that just simply search for tv.youtube.com, and you will be landed to the official website of your YouTube TV account. And from there, in order to delete your watch history, you need to come to the home screen of your YouTube TV account from the middle of the screen. And over here under the resume watching section, you will be able to see the shows and the live TV that you have watched on your YouTube TV account. And in order to delete this particular history right here, all you have to do is just simply click on the three dot icon from the show itself. Just simply tap on it, and over here you can see that there is no such option to delete this particular history that you have created or the shows that you are watching right now. But for example, if you are watching any TV series right here, so in order to delete that, you need to click on that particular TV show or movie that you are watching, and then you have to come to the very end of that particular TV series or movie in order to remove from the resume watching section, and that's how you will be able to delete the watch history successfully. Otherwise you won't be able to delete it. For example, these two shows that I was watching previously was live shows. That is why I don't see the option to delete them permanently from my resume watching or the history of my YouTube TV account. But if you're watching any show which is not live, then you can delete that particular watch history while coming to the very end of that particular show or movie, and finish that while clicking on the watch section and come to the very end, and and just stop it as soon as it gets started all over again. And that's how you will be able to delete from your watch history. So that's how you will be able to delete YouTube history. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.